Most people associate acne with being a teenager, but the reality is many of us are still dealing with breakouts well into our 20s, 30s and beyond. Dr. Maureen Allem, founder of Skin Renewal, is here to give us advice. Welcome, Doctor.
Thanks, Cindy.
How do hormones affect your acne?
So we have the male hormones, the androgens. So women also have male hormones, but obviously men have more. And it's when the testosterone converts to dihydrotestosterone. That is the culprit that increases the sebaceous glands activity. And men have 4 times the amount of sebaceous activity, sebaceous glands than women. So you'll find that they do get more acne. And then the dihydrotestosterone stimulates those sebaceous glands, so you've got a lot of oil. Then you've got the acne gene, and you've got too many skin cells which are clogging up the pores, so the oil can't get out. And then the bacteria love that mix, and they go crazy, and they build up, and then they cause inflammation, and that's what gives it the redness. So that's how hormones affect acne.
And what treatments do you offer at Skin Renewal for acne?
Number one, before we even do treatments, we repair the barrier. So that gets done, for 2 weeks with our ceramides and our skin in our treatment prep to prep the skin for the first peel. And then we do treatments like our laser genesis with the Nd:YAG, which treats all skin types, and that does gentle healing. And then we also take the same laser, but change the setting and do what we call our contact YAG, which does that deep-seated inflammatory nodules. And that's incredible. 1 or 2 treatments of those, and you'll see how the inflammation under your skin improves. And then we've got our miracle gas, the Carboxy, which is incredible.
And then just quickly, the top 3 products we need to topically put on our face.
Oh, so we've just released our new one. It's called Acne Relief Formula. So that's, once again, it's a multifunctional complex. So it's got the best form of azelaic acid, which is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It's got 0.5% salicylic acid, which is great because you've got all the other active ingredients with it. It's got 5 growth factors in it to start skin healing and to just multiply all the other effects. And it's got something called seborrheic-reductile, which decreases sebum and decreases the dihydrotestosterone, which causes, the increased oil secretion.
So there is a lot of help for acne.
Yeah.
And as usual, it all starts in your gut.
Absolutely.